videos you just watched were created entirely using AI tools. Now imagine making over $115,000 per month. Sounds unbelievable? Take a look at this channel. It's a perfect example. Launched on September 13th, 2024. It's not even a year old yet, but it already has 554,000 subscribers, 500,000. You might be wondering, how is this possible? Well, this channel creates attention-grabbing animal rescue videos using AI, where animals are saved from predators in emotional, heartwarming scenes. People love animals, and these videos trigger strong emotions, making them go viral fast. The best part? You don't need advanced animation or editing skills. With simple AI tools, you can start your own channel and earn your first dollars in no time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. We'll go through 3 simple steps. First, creating our scene prompt description. Next, generating the visuals. And finally, editing everything together in CapCut. For the first step, we'll be using ChatGPT. You can find the sign-up link in the video description for easy access. Once you're signed in and on this interface, I'll ask ChatGPT to create 10 visual scenes of a dolphin trapped by little crabs, struggling to escape, and wildlife conservationists rescuing it. I've included the full prompt in the video description so you can adjust it as needed. Once ready, just hit this button to generate the results. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a detailed 100-word character description of the dolphin. This will help maintain consistency when generating our visuals in the next step. Copy all the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into a Google Doc for a more organized process. If you're finding this video helpful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Drop a comment, like, and share to stay connected and never miss out on more valuable content. Now that we have our visual prompt descriptions, we will be generating visuals for our prompts. Usually, the process involves heading to Leonardo AI to generate images and later animating them. However, in this video, I will be streamlining the process by generating our visuals directly. And for that, we'll be using Hilo AI, one of the best text-to-video tools. I've included the link in the video description for easy access. Once you've signed up and are on this interface, click on Create and select Text-to-Video. Next, I will head back to Google Docs and copy our first visual prompt description. Paste it here and go through the prompt as pasted on Hilo AI. Check where the dolphin is mentioned, go back to Google Docs, copy the character description of the dolphin, create a bracket, and paste it here. This process ensures consistency for the elephant's description. Make sure to indicate the style as 4K wildlife/nature cinematography. Here, we can choose how many visuals to generate, but I'll stick with one for now. Click on the camera icon and select a camera movement. I will go with this one here, but don't forget you can select any that match your preference. Once everything is set, I'll hit generate, and just like that, our video is ready. Now, just repeat the process as needed for all the other prompts. Once done now, it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Open a new project, click on Import, and import all visuals. Arrange the clips in the right sequence, ensuring smooth transitions from one scene to the next. Take your time with this step to make everything flow naturally. Next, add sound effects to enhance the video. Visit Pixabay to download relevant sounds like animal noises, nature sounds, and background ambiance. Import them and sync them carefully with the visuals. The background ambiance will serve as our voiceover or background sound since there is no dialogue in this content. Place the other sound effects we downloaded to spice up our video. Next, we will add emotional background music. Go to the CapCut audio library and type the keyword emotional. I think I prefer this one. Drag it to the timeline, trim the extra part, and reduce the audio volume to -6 decibels. Review your video and download the appropriate sound effect. For example, in this scene, the rescue team is trying to brush the crabs off the dolphin's body. Download a brushing sound or something that fits the scene. I'm going to tie everything together with a filter. Click on Filter and browse through the options to find the one that best matches your preference. I will go with this one. Drag it to apply it throughout the video. To remove the Hilo AI watermark, you can either overlay text, such as your channel name, or slightly zoom in to hide it without affecting the quality. Once everything looks good, proceed to export your final video. Click on Export, change the file name here, and select the location. For the resolution, I'm going with 1080p. Finally, click Export to generate the final result. There you have it, guys. Before we play the final video, consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.